Last but not least, let us explain how bidding on online auctions works. We are going to use the Yahoo Auctions tab. But first, what is Yahoo Japan Auctions? Yahoo Auctions is the biggest auction site in Japan and one of the biggest in the world. Let's look at the pros and cons of auctions. Pros. It can be much cheaper than buying in a regular store. Also, you can find rare and unique items not available anywhere else. Cons. There's no guarantee that you'll win every auction. It's important to note that you can't cancel a bid after you've already placed one, and you can't refuse to pay after winning an auction. Plus, most sellers will not accept returns or offer refunds, so make sure it's something that you really want. Let's share a few tips to minimize any problems. Check the seller's feedback. Avoid items for sale with prices that don't make sense. If you're unsure about an item, just contact us and we can help guide you. So how do you bid on Yahoo Auctions? First, check your funds. Check your funds by going into My Account and looking at the rectangular box in the upper right of the main dashboard. Now, you can find an item that you'd like to bid on. You can place a bid or sometimes buy it straight away. If you would like to place a bid, click on the button. A new window will pop up where you can type in your bid. You can also request a sniper bid. Sniper bids will be placed 5 minutes before the auction finishes. Lastly, you have to confirm that you agree with the auction's usage conditions. Then, you need to send your bid and wait for the confirmation that your bid has been placed. If you wish to purchase an item instantly for the buyout price, you can click here. As you can see, the buyout price can't be edited. Just confirm your purchase and the terms and conditions for auctions to finish. When you win an auction, you'll receive a notification in your account. Then, our team at ZenMarket will contact the seller and arrange for it to be sent to our warehouse.